What the hell is an EICR and what do you need to do about it? First of all, an EICR is an electrical installation condition report. And what that means is an electrician will go and assess and inspect the entire electrical installation throughout your property. And they're looking to make sure that it's safe and up to date with current legislation. So it's a good thing, needs to be done. Not only does it protect your tenants, but it also protects your property as well. Once that assessment is done, the electrician will grade any issues that come up based on their urgency. So there are some jobs that need to be done that are urgent because they are either safety hazards or they're serious problems. There are other problems that are not quite so bad, and there are other recommendations on how you could improve the electrical installation at the property. You have to do that electrical installation condition report every 5 years, but here's a warning. I do believe that soon you're going to have some sort of, let's call it a top up. So once you've had your electrical installation condition report completed and passed, I believe there's going to be some sort of follow-up check or inspection or further assessment needed perhaps every couple of years. And it wouldn't surprise me if that became every year. So watch out for that. But look, once you've done the work, you shouldn't have to do it again. It's probably just a case of maintenance after that, other than keeping up with current legislation and changing legislation. So if you do not have an electrical installation condition report passed on your property, you can't let it out. So if this is the first time you're hearing about this or the first time you're understanding its importance, then go and get something done now. Just contact an electrician. Make sure you get the right electrician, because some electricians aren't qualified to do these reports, but get it done ASAP. And also make sure you're at least taking into account the electrician's recommendations as well, because they might come up in the future. And you don't want to be caught out later down the line when all of a sudden those recommendations become urgent issues. Just get them done now. It's your investment. You should invest in your investment so that you maintain its value and you keep it as a solid, secure, profitable, reliable, easy, simple and safe property investment. So that's the EICR. Go and get it done now. Hope that helps.